Hello everybody, I'm speaking on the behalf of Jordy Johnson from Carving Fusion here in Ladner, British Columbia, Canada. We'd really like to say thank you very much for the pictures. They're absolutely amazing. Let art find you, people. Find art. It will change your life as it's changed Jordy's. Dream big. Progress, people. Progress. Work hard, take your time, learn step by step. Every piece you do will get better. It shows. Look in the pics. Once again, people, thank you so much for the pictures. We really love them. It's fantastic, and we hope everybody's doing great. Carve on, people, carve on, and carve on.
Okay, so this is the fountain I made. Basically, it's a really big maple log. It's like 36 inches across by like 28 that way, I think. The whole thing is like right around 36 inches high. I think 38 inches. So one thing I learned with this, I have the pump and everything down in here, and then I went out the back of it and up through here, and then it just kind of trickles out there. Well, the problem I had with that, so I have all this caulking here, it didn't seal good. So I had to dig it all out, let everything dry, redo it. I think part of it was I didn't let it sit long enough. So then I had to bring it inside and sit for 2 weeks. That's why all the plants in there look crappy, because it was sitting inside my garage for 2.5 weeks, drying out and everything. But you know, I hung some lights on it. Wasn't too bad. It was a lot of work though. Like the getting down into here, this part really burrowing that out, and then I dug, you know, these plant areas out. And one thing I did do with the plant areas is I cut little drain holes, so when you fill it up with water, or when it rains, the water doesn't waterlog it, it'll actually shed out the back. But yeah, so that's it, you know. That was the first one I did. The other thing, I sparred this one and I didn't really like it, so the next one that I'm working on, I went and bought Thompson water seal, but then I talked to Jordy, and I think it was just I didn't put enough coats on it because it was all uneven, and you know. But yeah, so I'm thinking I'll try the Thompson on the next one, and then I'll go back to spar from there.
I'm glad you told me to finish them up.